All right, last one.
Look at this guy.
The post owl service. I believe this is instead of having a postman, you have a post owl. And
Is this dude real?
the owl brings your mail instead.
It's like Hogwarts. Hit it.
Oh, wow. That's cool, actually. That's useful. Brings it up to the window.
I don't know if it's real.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's actually a service.
No.
I think it's just a meme.
No, obviously will, but we're saying the idea of it is cool.
Oh, yeah, it is very cool.
That if you could have an
I'm on
owl
board.
trained to bring your envelope.
bring you
I mean,
anything?
well, how about
With the psycho eyes?
You were always doing the Game of Thrones. They were always the messages with the birds.
Yes.
We're gonna send a raven. They're just sending ravens everywhere. It was better than email. Let's just send a raven. Enough already. Send the raven. And you're like, damn, they got a lot of confidence in these ravens. But I presume at one point in time they were sending messages on birds. Like that's got to be.
Do you think that was a thing? Like they have pigeon carriers or whatever.
Yeah, that was a thing at one time.
But with a low enough population, you can pull that off. The moment you have like 3 pigeons in the air, it's done. They're confused. They're dropping mail in the wrong spot.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Oh yeah, no,
It's a traffic
we're
jam.
not.
It's traffic jam.
Listen, we're not.
Bird jam.
We're not arguing for the efficiency of bird message travel.
Yeah.
You got to work with what you got, I guess. When you're living in Raven Tech. I mean, we were talking the other day about I can't remember if it's Mongolia, but where they train the golden eagles to hunt foxes and wolves. They have this symbiotic relationship.
The eagles hunt the foxes and wolves and bring it back to the.
Yes.
Wow.
Bring it back to the master.
What do they get in return?
Spit in their mouth.
That's
Here
what
you
they
go.
do, right?
I'm not joking.
What is that? Is that a bunny or a bike?
It's both.
It's a bunny bike.
No, this is how they wreck you on thumbnails.
Oh, dude.
It's literally
It's a toy bike with a bunny like disguised to.
Yeah.
Oh, I get it. Oh my god, that's awesome. I'm more interested in that bunny bike.
Yeah.
Well, we did it.
We did it. It sound like Dora the Explorer there. We did
Yeah.
it. We did it.
Yay! Open your backpacks.
Yeah. Thank you very much to everybody who joined here today. Thank you for all the super chats, all the support. Thank you to Dave Lee for joining us. Truly a pleasure. Thank you to Mo for gracing us with his presence for 45 seconds at the end. Just to show himself, just to expose himself.
Right. I'm alive.
Of course, thank you to Will for dealing with all the chaos, man. It was close for a moment there.
Yeah.
You were,
Just sweating bullets.
man, you were frantic. You were frazzled. Anything could have happened in that moment. Anything.
Yeah.
Otis was misbehaving
He's just sleeping.
as he would. We covered it all. Everything you need to know in the world, we covered it here today. There's nothing we missed. I promise. And you know what? Hopefully it's not the last time Dave joins us.
Cool.
Yeah, it was
Thanks
fun.
for having me.
That didn't sound like you agreed to come back.
I didn't.
Wow.
He's like, you are correct. I absolutely have not agreed to ever sit in this seat again. Well, listen, Mo probably wouldn't mind. Because he sat in that seat before.
The hot seat.
Couple of times. Is that the hottest seat? Or is your seat the hot seat?
Will's.
I think both.
Mo has the hot seat.
There's so many things that can go wrong in Will's seat.
That's what I thought.
Yeah.
Yeah, but Mo has to talk more
Right.
against you
Right.
all the time.
Right. I don't know if it's against.
It is.
It might be together.
Nah.
Thank you again, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah.
We'll see you tomorrow. How about that? Later.